Hi everyone, it's Christina from the DIYmommy.com, and today I want to take you along with me as I clean and decorate our patio for the summer season. I am so excited that summer is just around the corner and it's almost time to entertain and hang out on our back patio. Today I want you to come along with me as I clean our patio and get it decorated for summer. I'm going to be sharing some very simple DIYs as well as a great tool that helped me get our patio super clean for the season. I want to thank STIHL for sponsoring this video and this project today and making it so easy to make our patio summer fresh.
Here's how our patio looked at the beginning of spring. During our long, cold winters, I store our patio cushions and accessories inside, and our patio stones get covered in leaves and dirt from the fall and winter. The first thing I did was give our patio flooring a good clean with a STIHL lithium-ion battery blower. This tool is super lightweight but powerful, and it makes it so easy for me to blow away any leaves or debris on our patio from last season. Since it's cordless, it's so easy to move around our entire patio and get every nook and cranny clean. The next thing I did to make our patio look fresh was paint our exterior patio doors. I decided that this area needed a pop of color, so painting our doors this fresh shade of robin's egg blue did just that. To paint the door with a streak-free finish, use a foam roller and lots of painter's tape. Next, I put out our patio furniture cushions and made some new throw pillows to bring more color into the space. I'll leave some links in the description box below with my DIY throw pillow tutorials. I decided to use a color scheme of robin's egg blue, coral, black, and white for a fresh summer vibe that contrasted with all of the neutral grays we have here in this space. I also found an inexpensive outdoor rug in a beautiful aqua color to break up all of the gray. I used this DIY bench I created last year out of stumps as a side table and found another stump to create another simple DIY table on this side of our patio. Stump tables are a simple project that adds some rustic interest to your outdoor decor. Some plants and lanterns add life and light to our space. Finally, I strung some outdoor string lights on our umbrella to give this space some mood lighting and some sparkle. I love using lanterns and string lights to create a peaceful ambience outside. Now our patio is colorful, cozy, clean, and ready to enjoy this summer season with friends and family.
I love how our patio turned out and how just those little pops of color made it feel so fresh and ready for summer. I want to thank STIHL for sponsoring this video. The lithium-ion blower made it so easy to make our patio clean and ready for the season. Make sure to check out that tool in the description box below. I'll leave a link, and make sure to check out all the other yard tools that STIHL has to offer to help you make your yard and your patio ready for entertaining this summer. I hope you guys found some inspiration here. Let me know what you think of our patio makeover in the comments below. I'd love to hear. I'd also love to hear how you decorate your patio for this season. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more DIY and decor ideas. Bye!